Hello everybody, this is William Heinzelman, solidgoldfishing.com, and I'm out of Lake Hogan. This is March 24th. We've got sustained winds out here. They're saying at times 50 miles an hour, and I've been going around checking out the water levels. The water level here at Hogan is very high. This is fiddle neck, the last of fiddle neck. See barely the second stage water launch is just barely getting out of the water. The only one usable right now is high water launch, and they've been dropping the lake about 3 feet probably in the last 2 days to keep everything from going underwater. They're running 7,000 CFS out of this dam right now. But if we get a big downpour, everything will cover up quick. But anyway, this is William from Hogan Lake. And you can see it's really rocking and rolling out here today. Here we are at Hogan Lake, folks, at the high water launch on March 24th. And there's not much launch left to go, as you can see. And then we'll have to wait till the water goes down before we can launch. Either that or launch the best way you can. And we've got such high sustained winds today, and that's why I came out here to show you guys how this lake rocks and rolls. They used to have a marina here, and it broke up so many times that they finally gave it up and took the marina out, because they just didn't have a isolated place to put the marina, and it always caught these winds right head on. But these big waves you see out there, it's called fets. They pick up intensity and energy on the other end of the lake, and by the time they get down here, they're quite strong. Anyway, talk to you later.